probably already seen this picture all over the internet this morning of top secret and secret documents laying on the floor at Mar-a-Lago during the search by the FBI. So this video is going to give you some context for that picture and explain what's going on. Late last night, the Department of Justice dropped this 36-page legal document as a response to former President Trump's demands to have a judge appoint a special master to comb through all the things that were seized from Mar-a-Lago. DOJ vehemently objects to having a special master come on board for a whole host of reasons. The DOJ filing also counters Trump's accusations that his civil rights were violated during the search. Now, in the document, DOJ says the former president has been making wide-ranging meritless accusations against the government, and this filing is meant to straighten out what's been going on. And the feds brought receipts in the form of the photo. So we got hints that this was the state of the documents in the redacted affidavit. But now you can really see what the government is talking about. In the picture, you see unsecured documents of various classifications, including TSSCI. They were spread out so they could be photographed. The DOJ says those documents were located sort of haphazardly in boxes that were also filled with magazines and photos. You could see the Time magazines in frames there. For the record, that's not where those types of documents are supposed to be located, and certainly not how they're supposed to be protected. The Department of Justice also revealed that back in early June, lawyers for the former president signed a letter saying a diligent search of boxes was conducted throughout Mar-a-Lago and that no more classified documents remained, and all the official White House records were being housed in a storage room. Well, during that trip in June, the FBI looked in the storage room and saw a bunch of boxes, but Team Trump would not allow them to open the boxes. The FBI left and kept investigating, and they say that's how they uncovered evidence that the government records were likely concealed and removed from the storage room, and that efforts were likely taken to obstruct the government's investigation. DOJ got the search warrant as a result, and in August, during the search, they found more classified documents in the storage room, and say they later found more classified documents in the desk of the 45 office at Mar-a-Lago. In the end, DOJ says between June, when Trump's lawyers legally affirmed on his behalf there were no more classified documents at Mar-a-Lago, to early August, when the search warrant was executed, the FBI pulled out more than 100 unique documents with varying classified markings from the former president's home. The filing argues the former president is not entitled to the return of any of this property. It's the government's property, not Trump's. He's not entitled to injunctive relief, nor is he entitled to the appointment of a special master. Now, the Justice Department says a separate special government privilege review team has already gone through everything that was seized from Mar-a-Lago. That's what the special master would do. And the DOJ says they've already set aside a limited subset of potential attorney-client privilege documents. Now, Team Trump must respond by tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern. The hearing is set for a Florida federal courtroom tomorrow.